Remember? Okay. First point. Trace the given circuit of multivibrator using transistor and draw the circuit diagram. First, same way. Once you get the paper answer book, first write on top bistable multivibrator. Draw the circuit diagram which you have studied. Now, if you are not studied, you can easily trace.
Yes.
Actually, we used to teach first how to trace. Very simple it is. You need not remember. You don't have to remember. All, I tell you. Very simple. Only who is the hero here? Transistors are heroes. So you have to draw the transistor. And then you start connecting. These are the things. Oh, yeah. Same. Oh, yeah. Then don't forget to write, because some examiners are very strict. So you mention what the number of transistor, what type of transistor, what the value of capacitor. Bistable ha thoy.
Q1
Q2 poya. Toya halad. And what thing?
सर अशें आसचें ना न्हू कवर्ड
अशें आसतलें.
कवर्ड
ना तो दिल्ल्या.
कवर्ड ना काय बरे नंबर्स बरे.
कलर कोड मेथड
सर कलर कोड नाल्या मल्टीमीटर यूज करू शकना.
हां, you can use.
But accurate दिना. Accurate दिना.
Oh, it is connected.
असं सर. बरेलेले हा सर.
So it will like this way only.
हय.
ट्रान्झिस्टर ना.
पण तुम अशें दिल्यार तुमचे मजाच जाले. सगळे सर्किट बी हांगा असोच दितलो पण मागीर कितें करूंक जाय सांगूंक जाय.
ना जाल्यार नंबर खंय आसा म्हाका दाखय.
असं गो त्याच्या बरेलेला हा. सो त्याने बरे.
ट्रान्झिस्टर ना तुमी हें करूंक जाय. विचार तेका विचार मी सांगतलो सकाळ फुडें या न्हू हेजो विचार आनी उगडास घे जालें.
हय सर विचारता ते करता. अरे इतले तरी करा रे तुम्ही. इतले तरी करा.
आता पळय फुडें mention the value of the circuit component, then one is over. So you got the marks, no? Distribution how? 50 marks. 30, 10. It's the journal.
नॉर्मली सर कितले म्हणून मिनिमम कितले दिता प्रॅक्टिकला.
बरो आसा जाल्यार फूल मार्क. वायवा. And it's
सर ते जनरलचेरच बिलो ना. जनरल आपला बरोबर आहे. आम्हाला काही पडवू नये.
Okay. Circuit diagram. Circuit connection. Observation table. Reading. How you take? Calculation. And the graph. And the result. Okay. So this will carry 5 marks. Observation table and this will carry 5, 7 and very important. This is important. 7, 8. Actually, this 5 will give 5, 7 and 3, 20. Okay. Then we give 5 marks calculation and 5 marks like this.
5 for result. Result
रिझल्ट पाठ करून या.
Then Viva 10 marks, journal 10 marks. And for search distribution, search told you 50.
Yes sir.
It is 35, 5, 10.
Yes.
Journal Viva. Out of 35,
5 for that problem solving.
Problem
solving and 30 for the experiment.
सर म्हाका सांग वायवा प्रॉब्लेम कशें रे विचारतले.
तुमकां सगळें ताटान
सगळें दिता.
ताटान घालून दिता.
हय सगळें
तू जो ते नाटक एका तळा मारल्या
जालें 22 वर्षी ना मागीर हें जालें न्हू. Then determine the minimum trigger voltage over the frequency range of 1 kHz to 100 kHz. We have taken up to 25 kHz. मागीर कितें करतलें.
आमकां आतां एनहान्स करपा
You do what you have done. करपाक जाय.
मार्क्स मेळटले.
हांव कसो ना कसो तरी करतलो.
You know, no?
तुका खबर आहा?
I explain them.
सांगा
No?
शालाका सांगलं रिवाइज सांग
She will explain.
आता सांगा शालाका
सांग शाला का?
Yeah, explain.
हा फीस घेता
दिता फीस दिता फीस दिता सांग
सर एका फीस दाखयता राव
पळय जेन्ना कनेक्ट करून ट्रिगर मेळटा पळय तेन्ना आतां फर्स्ट ट्रिगर येता न्ही बेस्ट आतां फुडें हें करून पळय फ्रिक्वन्सी इनक्रीज करून पळय
Frequency no.
अगो एम्प्लिट्यूड
एम्प्लिट्यूड इनक्रीज करून
चार्जीस ना
एम्प्लिट्यूड इनक्रीज करून पळय इफ तुका फुडें आनीक ट्रिगर तुजो वाडटा जाल्यार कळटा
म्हणजे चेंज जाता
जातालो
टक टक
आउटपुट वेवफॉर्म चेंज जाता म्हणजे ट्रिगर चेंज जालो सपोज तुका जर चड दिसता मागीर इनक्रीज करीत राव मागीर तूं परत त्या पॉयंटाचेर यो की खंय तुका सेकंड ट्रिगर मेळलो तो or तुका
पहले
third trigger मेळलो.
first you try increase, you will get now see first what happen, keep the amplitude knob of the signal generator minimum. Okay, so you will get a straight line trace on the oscilloscope. Okay, slowly increase the amplitude, means voltage of the signal generator you are increasing. At a particular voltage, what happen, the straight line trace becomes a square wave. Okay, that means that is a trigger voltage. That is a trigger voltage. Now in some cases what happen, you get more than one trigger when you go higher frequency. For example, more than 50 kilohertz, you get more than two. How? Because see, as you increase the amplitude, you will get one waveform. Still, if you try to increase the amplitude of the signal, you will see that waveform will change. It becomes smaller. The second trigger, third trigger. So you first find out. I think up to 25 you are getting only one trigger.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So you after 25, after 50 we are getting. See, after 50, no, but you try, check. You don't know, no?
What if we take many readings, like from 1 to 50 and then just around...
So
How you take the reading now? See,
so I sir any Pradeep
I give you. You take 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
सपोज आता ते फर्स्ट ट्रिगर असताना सर त्यांना हाफ फ्रिक्वेन्सी जाईन असतं
फर्स्ट ट्रिगराक जाता हे जेन्ना पळय 30च्या वयर 50च्या वयर वयता पळय
तेन्ना जायना
तेन्ना
सेकंड ट्रिगराक जाता
सेकंड
We have done it.
आम्ही अदर सर प्रदीप सरान केला सर प्रदीप सरान शिकयला सर आमकां आत्ता
आता शिकयला आम्ही झालं मग तेच नो
राव गो
हाऊ यू गेट टू नो चॉईस पहिले सांगू नासले So you know now. So that means how you take the reading now?
सो आमी थर्ड ट्रिगर घेवप न्हू सेकंड और
Second one, what you don't know, check. So the amplitude, you first in straight line place, you are going to increase the amplitude. Slowly at a particular voltage, you see a straight line becomes square wave. Okay, that's the trigger. Still you further you increase.
That is about 40 or 50.
You increase and what is there to increase? Increasing, nothing is happening. Bring it to minimum, slowly increase and you will get that first trigger will stop. Afterward, later on, you will see that at first trigger you get. If you increase, there is a change in second trigger. If you increase, third trigger. Afterward, you are not. If you are knowing, you are getting three triggers. So again, you bring to minimum. First trigger, second trigger, third trigger. Stop.
सपोज आमकां सर हाफ मेळ्ळे जाल्यार प्रोसीड करपाचें मेळना ट्रिगर वाडोवपाचें
Last trigger only you have to
Manipulate
take.
करपाचें
Don't manipulate. Last trigger, I am telling you, last trigger only you have to take.
Manipulate
For
with
high
the other
frequency,
experiment का
you get.
तुका हाफ मेळटा
झालंय? Okay? Wait, then plot the graph if you are not done.
यस
Correct? Plot the graph, that day I told you, no? Plot the graph of trigger voltage against the frequency of trigger signal. So, trigger signal means what? Frequency. And trigger voltage. So, as a trigger frequency, 1 kilo, 10 kilo, 50 kilo, 100 kilo. As a frequency increase, trigger voltage also increase.
असं सर आमकां आतां याद रावलें न्हू कितें करप तें
सो आतां ह्या टेबलांतल्यानूच प्लॉट करप न्हू
So how you are going to increase frequency? You are going to
ग्राफ प्लॉट करप
but frequency you are going to plot. No frequency one. See what I told you. You take this straight away. Direct. Suppose if you get anyone, if you do take like this straight away. Don't think anything. 1 to 5 kilo, 2 kilo, 5 kilo, 10 kilo, 20 kilo, 40 kilo. If you want, you take 50 kilo, 60 kilo, 80, 100. Okay. Now you will get every time you are going to get triggering voltage, one column will be there. So when you are plotting, take the frequency in kilohertz, say 1 kilo, no, then 5 kilo, and up to 100 kilo, and the trigger voltage you plot here, trigger voltage on the y-axis, and you plot it. So 1 point here,
So linear.
because as the frequency increases, what happens to the voltage is increasing, no? So you get linear. You may get like this. Yeah.
कसं मिळवलं जाईल ना असं मिळतं
So किती मिळालं? We have cannot consider second trigger, third trigger, fourth trigger.
म्हणून आमका असा ग्राफ मिळेल
त्याच्या खातीर आमकां ते वोल्टेज सारखे मेळनासली
Okay. Then select the suitable trigger signal frequency and compare the output signal frequency with, suppose you select 1 kilo. आता तुम्ही कितले घेतलाय? 1 kilohertz घे, 10 kilohertz घे, 50 kilohertz घे, half kilohertz. हे बघ इकडले हे मी घेतला नो. What you have taken? No, you select few 4 reading. Okay, and this is the input frequency, and you write the output. So it will 500, 5 kilo, 25 kilo, and 50. And you find out this ratio. It will be what? Or you take out this way. It will be half, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. This shows that bistable is large. Why it is showing half? Because it is divided by 2, sir. Divide by 2. Because whatever input you give, it is divided by 2. Give more input frequency. Correct, no? 4 I have taken, no? 1, no, and 3. So 4 frequency. From this table you select. You take this if you want.
फोटो मारना तो बरोबर